You. Why do I have to shut? You be quiet. You be quiet. You shut up.
You gotta go to bed. Yes, you have to go to bed.
How are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine, really. How are you?
Pretty bad.
Simon, don't touch my phone. You're excited.
Good girl.
I'm on the phone. No. You can wait a minute. I am trying to write an email.
Never mind. Don't you do that. Absolutely. No, you stop talking about it.
I think it's a telemarketer. Come over and grab it. What do you say? Shut up.
I love you. What?
Yes. I'm being
I'm not gonna save you. You've been bad. I love you too. How was your day though?
You're rude. Fuck you.
God damn it.
Shut the fuck up. No,